Welcome to Conscious Buyer TV. Today, I'm going to provide you with information on a fantastic topic. I've compiled the best cordless vacuum cleaners that will make cleaning your home easier and more enjoyable. In this video, we'll take a look at the most popular and impressive cordless vacuums. If you're in need of a cordless vacuum for your home and can't decide which model to choose, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into these amazing vacuums together. Number 1. Shark Detect Pro. This cordless vacuum cleaner impressed me with its excellent performance and versatile usability. If you're looking to make cleaning your home more enjoyable, this product might be perfect for you. Compared to wired models, the Shark Detect Pro cordless may not offer the same level of power, but it still delivers impressive performance. With its rechargeable battery, this vacuum can be used wirelessly for various cleaning tasks, including carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and even cars. The powerful suction power is quite impressive for a cordless vacuum cleaner. Its lightweight and convenient design allow it to be used as both a handheld vacuum and in an upright position. With up to 60 minutes of battery life, it provides an advantage for long cleaning sessions. You can easily control it with the LED display and switch between different cleaning modes. Based on my own experience, I must say that the performance of the Shark Detect Pro cordless is quite satisfying. It effectively cleans both small particles and large debris and excels at capturing dirt and dust in corners and along edges. However, it can feel a bit heavy when cleaning towards the ceiling. If you're in the market for a cordless vacuum cleaner and don't want to compromise on performance, you should definitely consider the Shark Detect Pro cordless. However, keep in mind that it may come with a slightly higher price tag, but you may find that it's worth the investment. Number 2. Roidmi S2. The Roidmi S2 offers a stylish and minimalist design, departing from the glossy, colorful plastic models commonly seen in vacuums. With its matte white exterior, it presents an eye-catching appearance. It comes with a well-thought-out selection of tools and 3 power modes, delivering strong suction. However, it tends to be quite noisy, and the small dustbin can be tricky to clean, which might not please everyone. Accompanied by a range of accessories that feel sturdy and well-made, the Roidmi S2 provides 3 suction levels, controlled by a button on the handle, and even the wall-mounted charging dock is small and inconspicuous. The battery provides up to 60 minutes of vacuuming time, ensuring clean air emission with HEPA filtration. Additionally, the soft, fluffy roller brush promises excellent suction without damaging hard floors. During use, the Roidmi S2 impressed by effectively cleaning both carpets and hard floors. Despite being somewhat long and heavy as a handheld vacuum, the selection of tools accompanying the S2 makes it a versatile option. If you can find it at a price lower than the list price, the S2 is a suitable choice for many households. However, for larger homes or busier households with children and pets, the small and complex dustbin cleaning process may become a frustration. There are 5 small lights under the handle. 4 indicate the battery level, while the 5th indicates when the dustbin is full or if there are other faults. However, there is no visual indicator for power level. During cleaning, you rely on changes in the vacuum's tone to determine the power level. Cleaning the dustbin can be a complex and often messy process. Despite these issues, the tools provided are quite useful. Overall, the Roidmi S2 offers impressive performance and provides great convenience for cleaning your home. Number 3. Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. It easily sucks up dust and debris. The laser highlights dust on hard floors that the human eye can't see and even counts the dust particles, displaying this information on screen for those who want evidence that their home is spotlessly clean. Despite being expensive and one of the heaviest cordless vacuums we've tested, we think it's worth every penny. Dyson produces some of the best vacuum cleaners on the market, offering impressive suction power and a range of high-tech features to make one of the most monotonous household chores as quick and painless as possible. The V15 can also display the type and amount of dust particles it collects on an LCD screen, allowing you to see evidence that your vacuuming session is giving your floors a truly deep clean. The LCD screen shows the remaining runtime and the selected power level. And, like the V11 series, the V15 Detect Absolute can automatically adjust the power to suit the type of floor it's cleaning when used with the high-torque cleaning head. Dyson claims the battery will last up to 60 minutes between charges when the cleaner is used on the lowest power setting, but this decreases to 15 minutes if you're using the maximum level. The V15 comes with 8 tools designed to provide portability and ease of use, and one of them is the laser slim fluffy cleaning head, which has a soft brush bar to ensure hard floors aren't damaged. The V15 Detect also comes with the high-torquey cleaning head, which adjusts the power to suit the type of floor you're cleaning when used in auto mode. The V15 Detect Absolute has 3 power levels, which can be selected using the button on top of the vacuum cleaner. And like other Dyson cordless vacuums, you can convert the V15 Detect Absolute into a handheld cleaner by removing the main wand and attaching any of the 8 tools it comes with directly to the dust canister. A powerful vacuum that can suck up everything in its path in a single sweep. If you want powerful suction, this vacuum cleaner fits the bill. Number 4. Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. This device takes the excellence of its predecessor and enhances it with the power of artificial intelligence. So now, your cleaning needs are controlled by artificial intelligence. With the dynamic suction feature, the brush speed increases, truly cleaning your floors. First and foremost, this vacuum is lightweight and versatile. Samsung's Clean Station still does an excellent job, automatically emptying and charging the device. Additionally, the Bespoke Jet AI offers excellent battery life. The design of the device is modern and clean, and it comes with an application that integrates with the SmartThings ecosystem. Moreover, it comes with a range of additional tools, making cleaning less exhausting. In terms of technical specifications, it boasts a maximum suction power of 280 air watts. This provides impressive cleaning on all types of floors. The dynamic suction feature of the device is truly fantastic. Sensors and algorithms automatically adjust suction power and brush RPM, ensuring the best cleaning results. However, this feature may also be found in other mid-tier vacuum cleaners, potentially resulting in a higher price. Another important aspect is the mopping feature. The device performs well in this regard, although I believe a similar product from Dyson performs better in wet mopping. Regarding battery life, the Bespoke Jet AI is quite generous, promising up to 100 minutes of runtime, which aligns with my own experience. Lastly, the cleaning process with the Clean Station is truly impressive. It cleans all dirt without any blockages, making post-cleaning maintenance much easier. The Samsung Bespoke Jet AI offers excellent performance, but its high price may make it inaccessible for many households. However, for those seeking powerful suction, convenient cleaning features, and long battery life, it's definitely worth considering. Number 5. Tineco Pure One S15 Pro. This device is a cleaning machine that significantly simplifies cleaning tasks and makes the emptying process seamless. As for whether it surpasses the Dyson V15, that's entirely a matter of personal preference, but the Tineco Pure One S15 Pro is definitely one of the top options. Speaking of its advantages, we can mention features such as automated suction levels, powerful cleaning performance, and a tidy charging unit. However, it also has some disadvantages such as a small dustbin capacity and inability to turn off the power brush. The design of the Pure One S15 Pro is quite striking and modern. It has a 470 mm dustbin capacity, and with the LCD screen, you can track important statistics during cleaning. Additionally, thanks to the iLoop smart sensor technology, you can visually see how clean your floors are. The device is very user-friendly, with a structure that can be easily turned on and off with a single button and can operate in automatic mode. It also comes with extra accessories, which further facilitates the cleaning process. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The battery life is a bit short, and the dustbin needs to be emptied frequently. Additionally, the app can send some unnecessary notifications, which can be a bit annoying. In conclusion, the Tineco Pure One S15 Pro is a high-quality cordless vacuum, but the price is a bit high. If you have allergies or are someone who appreciates stylish design, it's worth considering this device. And that's a wrap. Today, we discussed the best cordless vacuum cleaners. If you enjoyed this video and want more information, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. I recommend keeping notifications on to stay informed about my new videos. Until next time, take care.